Imagine trying to organize a huge event with 100 moving parts. You need to coordinate when things happen, who does what, and how everything fits together. Now, picture doing all of that, but in the world of data workflows. That's where Apache Airflow comes in. Apache Airflow is a platform designed to help you schedule, monitor, and manage workflows, especially when they involve complex tasks. It's like a project manager for data processing. With Airflow, you can create workflows that break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and then set the system to run them automatically at specific times or triggers. One of the coolest things about Airflow is how flexible it is. You can define your workflows as code, meaning you can version control them, reuse them, and easily modify them when needed. Plus, Airflow lets you monitor each step of the process with a visual dashboard so you always know what's going on. If something goes wrong, you'll be notified immediately and you can jump in to fix it. But here's the real magic. Airflow isn't just for simple tasks. It's designed to handle complex, interdependent workflows, making it perfect for everything from data pipelines to machine learning models. Whether you're pulling data from multiple sources, transforming it, or loading it into a database, Airflow can manage it all. So, if you're looking for a way to organize your data processing workflows, Apache Airflow might be exactly what you need. It takes the chaos out of complex tasks and ensures everything runs smoothly automatically. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.